OvrC introduces an exciting feature, employee role permissions for company accounts. This feature allows you to control which customers and locations each employee can access. This is especially useful for limiting new employees who are in training, setting up technicians who work in certain areas, or balancing workloads when a technician is on vacation. Only the company owner or an administrator can access role permissions. To do so, from the OvrC desktop app, select Account, select the Employees tab, then select Edit for the specific employee you want to modify. The Role tab allows you to specify the employee's job or position. This can be set to Technician for limited access, or Administrator for expanded management capabilities. Enable your key personnel to assist in day-to-day operations. Under the Customer Access tab, the owner or administrator can specify which clients and locations that the employee can access. Manage your employees more effectively and ensure trusted access to VIP clients and devices. Providing your employees with the right access frees you from potential liability headaches. It ensures the company business operates and grows the way you want. For more information about employee role permissions and the other powerful features of OvrC, visit our blog at OvrC.com/blog or reach out to us at help@OvrC.com. We strive to make OvrC powerful and easy to use, and our development is driven by your feedback. Be on the lookout for upcoming features and improvements. Let us know what you'd like to see, and as always, happy installing.